Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. I'm Harsha, I'm Pega trainer here. And today we have conducted Pega demo day 2 session. I hope many of you have attended this session. And in today's session we have discussed about what is Pega, what is the advantage of using Pega for application development, and Pega is a no-code tool. And also we have discussed about what type of specific applications we can develop using Pega. These are the points we have discussed in detail. I hope all of you are clear. So those who have attended today's session, kindly continue to attend tomorrow's session as well. Online students, same meeting link. Classroom students, please come down to the classroom on time. And tomorrow's session will be the continuation of today's session. Tomorrow we are going to look at understanding about what is BPM, what is Pega PRPC, why Pega is called as a BPM tool, what are the other BPM tools available in market, BPM architecture and Pega architecture. These are the points which we are going to discuss in tomorrow's session. So those who have missed attending today's session, I request you guys go through the video and follow the video and try to attend like today's video, complete watching it and attend from tomorrow onwards. And if any one of you have not attended last 2 days sessions, watch yesterday's video and then start also today's video if possible and start attending from tomorrow. Even though if you have not watched yesterday and today's video, no problem. You can start attending from tomorrow onwards. You will be able to understand up to some extent. By tomorrow, we will finish that demo sessions. Means day after tomorrow onwards, we will get into the content and subject. As I have already requested you guys, if you have any queries related to your career guidance or anything, you can call me on my personal number 8862666619. So I will be available to sort out your queries. Okay, hope to meet you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye. Harsha signing off.